Bye-bye.
Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild, shit a trip, yeah. Life is lit, take a breath, that's it. Now it's wild, this shit a trip. Life is litty, you shit a gift, bitch I'm him.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are fishing at a pond that I've never been to before. Caden from Southwest Virginia Bassin actually put me onto this pond a couple days ago and told me to check it out. So that's what we're going to do today. We're starting off with the jerk bait on the Guggen Squad rod, and hopefully we'll be able to get something. So let's get to fishing, and hopefully we'll have a good day. Oh, I had a bite there, boys. Over here where the water's flowing into the pond. Maybe see if we can't get something over here. Ooh, I saw one following it. A little juicy spot. I've seen them fall on the bait several times. Alright, I see one following the jerk bait. Gonna kind of lure it in a little bit more. Maybe see if we can't get it in. Oh, and we got one, we got one, we got one. Ooh. Look there, guys. We have one on the jerk bait. Looky there. Alright, let's try for another one. Alright guys, looks like the jerker bait is working well. We're gonna keep throwing it. Alright, so we have caught one fish so far over at that bottom pond. We're gonna move over here about maybe 50 yards to this top pond, see if we can't catch us another. Now I caught that last one on a Shadow Wrap 2 jerkbait from Rapala. I've tied on a different jerkbait. I'm gonna see if I can't get something over here. So stay tuned and hopefully we'll get some. Alright. Gonna see if we can't get something else. We've gotten one so far. I'm hung in the weeds. Yep. Seen a couple little bass swimming around. I'm gunning for one of them. Hopefully we can get one. Yeah, Caden from Southwest VA Bassin is here. He's pulling up right now with his parents. Told you that road wasn't bad. And we got Caden from Southwest Virginia Bassin. Going back over here to the water. See if we can't have any more luck again. Now make sure you guys go and hit the like button on this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit your notification bells. That way you get alerted every time we put up a new video. I'm going to keep working this jerkbait around here and see if I can get something else for you guys. I've got another one chasing. I'm just gonna see if I can get it lured in here. Here we go. Oh, got one. Just got one, guys. Just got one. I don't know. Ooh, hooked right in. Yeah, looky there, guys. There's a second one for the day. Second one for the day. And we are gonna let it go. All right. Right over there under them trees, I casted. That's where I caught the second one. Right over here where the water's flowing into the pond. That's where I caught the first one.
Oh wow. How big is the first one you said?
A little bit bigger than that second one.
How?
That second one was about,
Did you weigh them or not?
no, I've got my scale up in the tackle box, but I didn't weigh them. They were probably about 2 pounds.
That last one didn't look as big.
It didn't. It was about 1.5 to 2 pounds, and that first one was just a little bit bigger than it, so about 2 to 2.5. I swear, you can ask him about it. You can ask him. It's kind of like a.
Like an algae bone? Like the Guggen algae bone?
No, it's kind of like a blue and green, and the other one was like a shad color.
That's what I've got on.
Yeah, mine was like a little bit lighter than that. They've hit on both of mine. I caught one on one and one on the other.
I'm thinking about going up there and taking the flat banger off the blues and putting the other bait on I got.
Yeah.
I got like 4 or 5 of them.
Is that your quantum?
I love it.
I told you would.
That's gross.
Caden's over here pretending to have hits.
Oh, really? Really? You would have saw my frogs.
That's like 5 bird nests in a row now?
No.
Yeah. And you was sitting there saying you wasn't like Chris, but
Bird's nest on that one.
it sure looked like it.
Oh, there we go. I wish I had my loose Classic Pro on a bigger rod.
Yeah.
Because, oh my god, it is.
A what?
They just went on sale from 54 to 28.
Oh wow. Which one? I know all the tricks to it.
Whenever you get hung up, you got slack in it.
Yeah. Like I said, I know all the tricks to it. It was the hook was in the branch, and I was just ripping the branch off. It was a tiny one.
Supposed to be otters up there.
I wouldn't doubt it. I wouldn't doubt it if there's beavers. I seen a dam built over there.
My Andrew Stanley, he was at the
Mm-hmm. Really?
Yeah.
Huh.
I said, I bet that was one damn good one.
Oh, it's because there's a big puddle right here.
Yeah. Didn't even thumb it. Thank God I figured it out. I got it.
We're having a stare down here. Thing is, Caden's got sunglasses on, so I don't know if he ever blinks.
Oh, I'm blinking all the time for you.
Yeah, I'm still winning because I'm still not looking away. I still got a stare down going. Stared at him even when I casted. Alright guys, looks like we're not getting any more catches, so we're going to call it a day. Remember, your next cast could be your next catch. Make sure you subscribe, stay tuned, and I hope you enjoyed the video.
Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild, shit a trip. Life is lit, take a breath. That's it. Now it's wild.